Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have kind of been in a bit of a shopping mood lately. I'm ready for spring to start. So I've been picking up a few things here and there to add to my closet for the season. I haven't shopped at Sezane since last fall, and I recently picked up a few things, and I thought we would go over the pieces and talk about how I'm planning to wear them this spring. Lately, every time I've been shopping with Sezane, I've been gravitating more towards classic items. I will link everything down below in the description, and of course I would love to hear from you in the comments if there's anything that you've recently picked up from Sezane that you are loving for the upcoming spring season. The first piece from Sezane that I picked up was this gorgeous little dainty cardigan. This is the Antony cardigan. I have not picked out a knitwear piece from Sezane in quite some time. A lot of the reasoning for that, I think, is because their knits can be kind of itchy, and I've been moving away from them a little bit. I've been preferring more cashmeres because I have sensitive skin. But I was really drawn to this one because I'm always really drawn to their dainty, delicate knitwear. The detailing around the neckline and on the sleeves is really hard for me to resist, honestly. And these buttons are so cute that go down the front. I like that this is a cardigan style. I've been more into cardigan styles lately than I have been into pullovers. So every new style that I've picked up has been more of a cardigan. While I like the detailing on this one, I do still find it quite itchy. I've just learned this lesson over and over again with Sezane knitwear that I just really don't reach for pieces that are from Sezane because I find them uncomfortable to wear. So unfortunately, I think I might send this one back because I just don't see myself gravitating towards this one and being comfortable in it all day long. And especially in the new year, I'm really prioritizing keeping clothes in my closet that I find comfortable and I want to wear all the time. So if you are not sensitive to mohair, especially, I think the majority of this sweater is mohair. If you're not sensitive to it, then I would recommend it because it's really beautiful, but it's just not for me. We got that one out of the way because the next few items are pieces that are staying in my closet. So the first item from my Sezane haul that I'm gonna keep are the Manu trousers. These are my favorite pair of pants from honestly anywhere. Like, I was gonna say from Sezane, and that is true, but these are my favorite pants from anywhere that I've ever found. Something about them is just incredibly comfortable. The composition of these is just very soft, and they're also a little stretchy as well. And I think what I really like about them the most is I like the rise. They're more of a mid-rise, they're not too high, so I find them really comfortable to wear sitting and standing all day long. On the website, they say they're more of a low rise. Maybe on some people, not on me. I am more petite and I have a shorter torso, so they are a little bit more of a mid-rise pant on me, but nonetheless, I still find them incredibly comfortable. These are 99% organic cotton and 1% elastane, so that makes sense with what I described in terms of they're super soft and comfortable from the cotton and just slightly stretchy from that 1% of elastane. I used to own these in the tan color and I absolutely love them. I traveled all throughout Italy while wearing them, and they were my go-to pants to wear on travel days, like being on trains and planes. But I did end up selling that pair because I didn't entirely love the color with the rest of my closet. So I knew that someday I would once again order these trousers in a color that was more suitable to the rest of my wardrobe. So I've picked out the ecru and I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to now keep these in my closet for a very, very long time now that they work better with my color palette. I'm going on a trip again soon, and I cannot wait to pack these. The next item is something I've actually already worn. I wore this out on Valentine's Day. It was the ultimate Valentine's Day dress in my opinion. It was so comfortable, but I felt so chic at the same time. That is how I prefer my going out clothes to be. I want to be comfortable all night long. So it's hard to see here, but this is the Viven dress, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. It has this very wide neckline, very, very low back. It is hard to see because it is black, but it has a little ruching and a tiny little elastic here at the back to kind of add more shape to it. It's honestly just so gorgeous. And I am going to be now recommending this dress to everyone I know. It is the perfect going out dress, especially for kind of early spring when it's still a little chilly at night. The fabric composition of this dress is mainly cotton and merino wool with a little bit of polyamide and elastane to kind of give it that stretch. It also has these really gorgeous buttons at the sleeve. In my opinion, and I've bought a lot of clothing from Sezane, this is one of the best pieces that they have ever made because it is just so classic that it will really never go out of style. I 100% recommend this dress if you are looking for an easy black dress for going out, for date night, for events. This is the dress. Please buy it. It's great. I save the best for last. I always love to do that. This is the bobby trench, and I am so obsessed with this. I cannot wait to wear this spring. Last year, I tried the Clyde coat, and I do have a video of me trying that on under my shorts here on YouTube, and I really liked the style. I loved the way the fabric felt, and I really, really love the lining that they do on all the Clyde coats. But I kind of just found it to be a little too overwhelming on my frame. It was just like a little long and a little big, and I had to let it go. I didn't end up keeping that one. So when they released the crop version, I knew that I had to give it a try again. The top fits very similarly to the Clyde. The sleeves are still the same length, but I now know that I'm supposed to wear them cuffed. But I think this silhouette in general is just better for especially people who are a little bit on the shorter side. I find it to be a little less fabric to manage. And of course, this coat works for any height really. So I'm loving this one, and it is super pretty, and I cannot wait to wear this spring. I'm gonna put it on right now because I love it so much. Here is the inside lining pattern of the kind of light beige version. The shape on this is just so good. It is so cute and comfy, and I really think that this is another win from Sezane. They haven't really been drawing me in lately, but this coat was a must-have for me. All right, that is all I have for my Sezane spring haul. I hope that you enjoyed. Please let me know down below in the comments what your favorite piece was. And once again, I would love to hear what you are loving from Sezane this spring. I will see you in my next video. See you later.